This is the prize, the John Bird Memorial Trophy. To win it, all you have to do is build this small rubber-powered plane and fly it for the longest time. These are the step-by-step instructions. And translating into English, are they useful? Not really.
Here we are at the annual John Bird Cup, and people are getting their rubber-powered planes ready for flight.
Here attending the John Bird Memorial Trophy is his wife Julie and brother Laurie. Now, how does this fit together?
Just a gentle, straight level. See if it glides, yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, see if it glides. You're going to need a bit more grunt, I think.
Dave is just filming a couple of amateurs here.
Do you know what you're doing?
Of course I do.
I think the knot came off.
It's come undone.
Has anyone got a measure?
How's it going? Looking good. Oh, he's got a winder. Yes. Agreed. Test flight. Ooh, that's got power.
I'll just tie them together. Can you show me how to use one of these?
Just as soon as we see any activity around this table to move into the hall. Last drinks, gentlemen. Last drinks. Big thanks to Lou for the new urn. Well, the competition director is heading into the hall. You can come when you're ready. Mr. Timekeeper.
I didn't see you earlier.
Everyone's winding up. Speedy. Wow. Oh.
Whoa, speedy. Oh.
Nice one, right?
Oh, get out of town. Yeah. That's the end of that. All right.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
The idea is not to take the timekeeper out. Very interesting launch technique, Peter. The rubber guy's over the way showing us how it's done.
Yeah, he should be in the competition. It's just staying up there. Interesting technique. Where did it go? Yeah, that's nice. Time to tally up the scores, I think.
In third place is Ian Miller. Second place is Peter McCarthy. And we had a lot of trouble figuring out who won. Andrew Halstead had a flight of 22 and 21.8 seconds.
That's it for another year. My thanks go to the Indoor Aviation Exec for organising the event and the Bird family for their support.